how to buy AIXBT, the AIXBT by virtuals token. So to be able to do that, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now this is their X account. They have a big community. Just take a look at it. Now how to buy this token, just go and find it on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and make an account. Now after that, as you can see, this token is under the base network, so we will use the Bitget wallet because it's easy to buy this kind of tokens. Now copy the token address and go to your Bitget wallet to be able to add it to your wallet. Now after that, click on this little plus icon and make sure you select the base from here, the base network. So after you select it, now paste the token address in here, and as you can see, this is our token, and click on plus. The token is added to our wallet. Now go back. So after that, go and scroll down until you find your token, as you can see from here. Now make sure to copy the address of the token from your wallet and click on buy plus. Now after that, they will like you to complete the buy process or to fill your wallet with USDT or the token that you want to buy with. Now from here, select the currency that you want to buy with, as you can see. Select USD. Now from here, select the crypto that you want to buy with. You can select USDT or Ethereum or anything that you want. Now here, set how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much of USDT or that crypto that you want to buy with for. Now after that, paste the token address and click on buy, as you can see. So they will redirect you to another page to be able to buy this token. So as you can see, this page, make sure to enter everything that you want to buy with. So as you can see, you can now spend, and this is how much you will receive. Now select this payment method if you want to buy with Visa or Google Pay. Now after select all of these, as you can see, now click here to show the more or the full summary. Make sure to read all of this and create an order. Now after that, you can see, enter your information to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the AIXBT token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.